Hi, so in this video we're going to be looking at a ridge detail, or a timber ridge detail. Now, similar to how we completed the eave detail and the valley detail, we're going to be completing our ridge detail as well. Now this shouldn't take long, but let's see how it goes, how things go when you're drawing. Alright, now again, please like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment down below of any questions, queries, or suggestions that you may have. So let's get into things. Alright, so here we have a ridge detail to our left, and we're going to be replicating it to our right. Alright, now the first thing is that I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be drawing the timber ridge board, and the dimension for it is 50 by 200. Alright, so let's enter that. Now, using the rectangle command, REC, enter, enter, clicking. The width of it is 50 millimeters, so I enter 50, then press the tab key, then the height, which is going to be 200 millimeter, which is basically 8 inch, just like that. Once that is done, I'm then going to be drawing a diagonal line at 30 degree from here, 30 degree. Let me turn on restrict cursor there. The length of this is random. Alright, once I've done so, I'm going to offset this line down by the thickness of the rafter here. Now the rafter here is 50 by 150. The portion that you're going to be drawing here is simply going to be 150. So let's offset this down by 150. That's this line here, offsetting it down by 150. I'll trim away everything that is extending beyond this point here, or you could, I don't know, maybe use that instead. Alright, once I've done so, I'm going to be offsetting the top line by 25 millimeter. That's this line here, 25 millimeter. Then I'm going to be offsetting by 50 millimeter. Alright, just like that. Let's now draw our break line. Our break line is going to be along here, so I'm just going to draw a random line along here. Line command, draw a line across like this. Then now I'm going to be drawing a line from here to here, and back to somewhere along here. Then maybe there. Am I leaving out anything? Something like that. So let's clean up now. So getting rid of here, 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 and let's see here as well. Let's stretch this up in a bit more. Yeah, and trim away here. Alright, now let's join everything together. Join, and let's extend the lines to touch this here. EX, enter, send those there. Alright, once that is done, the next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be drawing a line up center here like this, and extend this bottom line to touch it. So EX, enter, let's send that, click on that, EX, enter, send that one to touch it. Let's touch that one as well. Let's draw a line from here. It must touch this line perpendicularly though. Let's get rid of this line now, and then we fillet the corners like this. Alright, now once that is done, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be drawing the battings. Now the batting is going to be, and I'm going to, maybe I should fillet this to here. Alright, I'm going to be offsetting, you know what, I'm going to keep things separate. Let me trim away that bottom line. I'm going to be offsetting this line here down this way by 50 millimeters. So enter 50 millimeters. right here, that way. Then I'll draw across, because it's an end view of a timber. Should I say across or an X? Or alright, once that is done, I can now, I could probably fillet the corners of this portion here. Now we can try copy this here. We can try copying it and showing that it's on the 30-degree plane this way. The 362, I believe that's what we had it as. Let's see if we have the dimensions for it here. But we did have it on our other drawing. Yes, 362. So let's work with that and let's see if it's in plane. 362. Alright, that's where it is. Alright, so once we have that one in place, let's grab onto that and let's copy it from this center here. Let's see right here, we won't have any additional ones there. Now once that is in place, the next thing I'm going to be doing is offsetting this line here up and this one here to the right. So O, enter, the offset distance is 12, so I'm going up 12, this way 12. Alright, once I've done so, let's draw a line from the center to here. Alright, right here, and then so drawing the line from here to here, and then fillet the corners, then filleting here to here. Alright, once I've done so, the next thing I'm going to be doing is grab onto these here, CP, and place a copy right here. Alright, once I've done so, next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be offsetting a line down by 12. Which line? This one here. I think that should be it. Alright, yeah, that should be it. And then I'm going to be grabbing onto this and pulling it to this point here. Alright, there's going to be some interlocking there. Let me see if I can rotate it. RO, enter, click my rotation point, type R, press enter, click between here and here, and let's rotate it to this point here. Should make things a bit better. No, not really. So let's undo that. So I'm going to move this here to this point here to account for the folds in the decor tile or whatever that thing here is. Alright, once I've done so, let's offset that up by 12. Alright, let's do some filleting now. So the bottom top is going to here. Let's stop this right here. Alright, let's offset 12 on this side here, and let's fillet the corner. So this here to here. Alright, then once I've done that, I'm going to be grabbing onto this here, and let's see how things go. That as well, that copy. My base point is going to be right here, so let's see right here as well. Alright, okay, good, and right here as well. And let's trim away the excess, so everything that is beyond this line here gets to go. Alright, let's get rid of that. Alright, no, that's the wrong one. Z. Alright, so let's see. Alright, so let's do some sorting out now. Starting at the top here, at this point here, everything beyond this line, I think I can trim away probably here, and then maybe here, and here. Alright, I think I got it now. So I'm going to be trimming away here, and this here gets filleted onto here. Alright, so I think that is it right there. Alright, so let's see. We have everything that we need there, so we're pretty much finished. We're halfway there. So what do we need to draw now? We need to draw the hurricane strap thing right here. So we're going to be drawing that. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing, you see this line here. Let me just explode this. X, enter, then O, enter. Let's enter 5 millimeters like this, and let's offset by 100 millimeter. That's right here, like that. 50 is 2 inches. That's a 2. Let's offset by 50. Offset 50 millimeters. Alright, like that. Let's just find the center somewhere along here, and offset 25 on either side. Alright, let's get rid of this line in the middle. Let's clean things up by trimming what needs to be trimmed. So TR, enter. Let's get rid of everything above this line and everything below this line here. Let's add the circles for the nails or the screw, however they're going to attach it to the wood. I'm going to just only add 2 on it. Alright, and circle. I think it's best if I use this. CP. Place this right here. And trim away everything on this side of the line. Let's copy this, copy it down a bit, copy it up a bit. Am I not copying? Alright, cool. Now once that is done, the only portion that is missing is the ridge cap. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is that I am going to be drawing a circle with the center being right here, and as the top of the circle is going to be or somewhere here. Alright, after I've done that, I'll offset that by 12 millimeters like this. Alright, I'm then going to offset the line up here by 12. Now next thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be doing some cleaning up. Alright, I think I'm going to be mirroring this to the other side now. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do that. Clicking here all the way to this side, ensuring that I have everything highlighted. Yeah, let me select everything there and then zoom in a bit. Hold down shift, deselect this and this and this. Oh, also my circle, and let's just mirror to the other side. This should clear things up a bit more. No. Alright, so now I can do some work. Alright, so let's now I'm going to be trimming some portion of this away. So for the outer circle, I'm going to trim away the bottom portion. Oh, click on this line, TR, enter, get rid of that top line, and let's fillet the corners. So this to this, and this to this. Alright, this line here I just offset it by 24. O, enter, 24. Alright, like this, and on the other side as well. Then I'll just fillet the corners like this, and then trim away anything that is below. On this side here, do the same treatment. Fillet this to this, and trim away anything below. Now so here it is. Remaining portion will be here, and I believe here, and we'll just trim away everything below here. Now this is deco, so you know, for decor tiles, it's basically, think about it like concrete tiles, alright, placed on the roof. Alright, so a lot of these will be sealed in with whatever sealant they're using, and these are heavy, as well as concrete as well. Alright, so this is it. You could make these a bit longer, so it stretches down a bit. If it's going to be nailed, then you'll have to have some form of support underneath it. All right, so probably something up here, or you might have an additional piece of blocking inside of this portion here. All right, so let's do our labelings now. All right, so we're going to start with our title first. So our title, ridge, detail, our scale below, 1 in 10. I want my text, my scale text to be half the size of my title text, so I make that 25. I like to orient everything to my, or justify everything to my right. I like to underline my title as well, and I'm going to place this in the center like that. And I'm going to add my labels. Go to my annotation tab, click on multi-leader line, and I'll start labeling. Start with my ridge cap here. Alright, my text height is going to be 25. Alright, so let's go. Let's just write what we have here. Approved ridge cap. Approved ridge cap. Alright, that's the first one, and let's add our other labelings. So let's just make some copies of this. So here and here as well. So let's add the labels. So this one here will be the socking material. So we're going 25 by 150 millimeter T and G King. Alright, good. Let's stretch this out a bit more, and let's align this to it as well. Same here, let's align this as well. So let's move our tag here to here, and the rafter here. Alright, now for the rafter it is 50 by 150. So let's erase all of that. 50 by 150. Alright, so W dot P dot timber rafter. Alright, so we have that there. The next that we're going to be looking at is the ridge board. I'm just going to be copying my text here, CP, and let's place it right down here, and let's place it here. So let's change our dimension, so it is actually 50 by 200. Alright, let's erase these information, and let's put WPP, let's go below, and timber ridge board. Alright, let's do the strap now. So let's see if we can move this up a bit, and let's copy it, probably a bit down here, and let's see if we can get this to line up with hurricane strap without everything intertwining. So let's push this over a bit like that. Alright, now this here, let's enter the information. So we have 5 mm THK mile steel for MS, mile steel hurricane, alright, strap, alright, hurricane strap, alright. Other information in relation to the roofing material, so you know we could add that as well, the decor tile. So let's copy this and place it somewhere over here. But I encourage you to make yours a bit neater. I'm just doing this in the interest of time since we're at 20 minutes. So here we have our decor tile. Yeah, so decor tile finish. Alright, decor tile finish. Alright, let's move this a bit down. Alright, so here we go. This is our ridge detail. Hope this video was helpful. Again, please do like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Alright, now if there's any other questions, please leave them again in the comment section below. The files, all the drawings file will be linked in the description down below as well. So I'll see you in the next one.